Within XD, you can easily link to multiple design libraries if you want. Now, if you have a large design system, maybe it's broken up into multiple documents, or you have content from different teams you need to utilize, you can link to each of these as cloud documents and use the assets. With this document open that we created in the previous video, or a new document you create, you can see the assets that were linked to from the cloud document. Now you can tell what the source is for an asset by moving the pointer over the link icon here. Now, if you want to import more assets, we've got a separate source document for other icons you can see here. We first need to make sure it's a cloud document. So with this document open, or a document you have with assets saved, choose File, Save As on macOS, or on Windows, click the menu icon in the upper left corner and choose Save As. Save it as a cloud document and click Save. Now back in the project file, after that document is saved, you can utilize its assets by clicking the plus icon here and import the assets from that cloud document, or even a cloud document shared with you, or convert a sketch library to use the assets. Choose the icon's cloud doc you just saved, and all the assets appear in the Assets panel with these little link icons telling you that they are linked. If you move your pointer over a link, you can see the source document and whether it's up to date. Now, if you move the pointer over this component, you can see that it's from another source document. Let's use that component. So drag it out into the document. Now, if you want to edit an asset like this component, you would do so in the source document like you saw in the previous video on using assets from cloud documents. You do that by right-clicking the asset in the Assets panel and choosing Edit Master in Source Document. Once you start merging all of these assets from different sources, it might be challenging to tell which come from which documents. If you want to find assets from a specific source, for instance, you can select the linked source document from the filter dropdown up here in the Assets panel. As your design system and brand kits grow in size, XD makes it easy for you to find these assets quickly, even using the search feature. So if you show all the assets again, so you can search through all of them, start typing a name, and XD will display the local and linked assets that match your search criteria. Linking to assets from multiple cloud documents allows you to utilize multiple sources for your assets and makes it easy for you to discover and use them.